It's Christmas time.
phone is gone.
Ow! Hi. And so does he.
Oh my gosh.
And so does he. Oh,
I painted
it's
his
more
face.
paint.
No, I painted his face. Look, it's
He's been
beautiful.
initiated.
Am I like getting pictures?
Gina ruined
Ruined
it.
And then no, it's going on YouTube. We have 4 subscribers.
I don't want YouTube.
Well, you're going on YouTube.
Don't grab me.
Don't grab my camera then.
No.
Guys, say hi. This is Christmas edition of the Megan and Al. Don't make fun of it. Stop pulling my hair. That's my sister. Stop pulling my hair. That's our therapist. And then
That is.
yes.
Whatever. I am so sorry.
Do it. His mom will take away his brother's Xbox privileges.
No, you didn't.
YouTube, no.
I can't be on YouTube. Go find me.
She's just getting you running around the room.
That was wonderful.
For my brother.
There's a pillow.
Rachel.
There's a
What's
pillow.
the point? You're not supposed to see my eyes.
Hi.
Tranquilize.
We have a lot of people. What did you do?
You're not putting this on YouTube, are you?
Stop sexually harassing Megan.
What? I was
That's all I heard.
tranquilizing.
One word.
I was tranquilizing.
I don't want people from
No,
school
Rachel,
seeing
Courtney
me.
is volunteering.
It's okay.
No one here is from my school, so I'm okay.
We are so weird.
Ah!
You better watch out. You better not cry. Oh, Brian Heck and Kirsten in the background.
I'll stay behind Rachel so she doesn't get me.
Hi.
No.
Ready?
I just turned the camera around.
Rachel. You gotta do it there. Rachel. Rachel. Crane.
Now you gotta do this.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's beautiful. That was beautiful.
Squirrel makes no sense.
Squirrel.
No, this is squirrel.